Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on artiste TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video.
I remember our background kakra. Last Saturday, and Budumbruam camp, aka Liberian camp, aka Kaswa, and show because na show ne kosna na artist ya wo mi studio ha. A friend original Shana. Ne nyom ne de o se a friend Udros. Na obo nyom na baba wabi. Ebegina stage ni so baby free de. The friend ne de original Shana ba he de obechire mu. Ababa wani begina stage ni so a nyame anim nukwari ni we ni draw sampa. Na nya so yi keke. Oyi ye ekuntu ni mu. Panifo de munim de American. A crime style de ni bi. Ekuntu mu na okuntu ni mu so enema negu akire ho no video ne bebo since na me so bia mpe data mra Facebook live. We're going to play the video na mu na mahu se na etie na obiye sane mani wie no yesi osi a free stage no so akoba bi free buy ya wa free stage ni so atofo mawu asema ye kenya grow enye gimmick enye media hype about your new video so share much in Nasifoni. Now we're going to show everything to you live on our Facebook feed. Ya pasi to show me day see why na or ye mistake bia and baba ya no show the crown one organize artist now or T and Che was studio then or ye into assistant to me by yes man every bang and the same way see questions a baby son, but my reporter MC Berryman or Sanya Juma or Sammy Flex TV or a presenter or MC. Yes, man is on Kokaswa police station. Na first, Yenti police report na yemeto aso. MC, good morning.
Good morning, brother.
Bibi aboko no pay dey.
Adumni nsura ya na experience ka krebia ya debata ho bibi ya fine wa hase. Ebefa. Na no pay dey MC Berryman gina.
Brother,
your cast was here as at the moment now.
Okay. And a Joe and come because was Sammy Flex TV. In fact, you started investigation from Sammy Flex TV and can say and pay Pemre na call information be mine. Second police station na first ko confirm me say e yampa se sister bi akoye show bi akoro ne ho ma wawu ampa na. Me ba je okoye de see no boni tofa na ka kire yansa na wajai ho.
Okay. Wait me da sepa ne akonya de mama na mesa so afa fidie so achia yetifu nyina na afi so no ebusua na asemi etom no ya mom yakọ se mi kire mu sa na no kire se de me tete no ana se de wate na na de waboso no no kure se BBC ekoso ewo ehonum na se na o kire mu se Andre ni start investigation and starting komodidi no nene osuma me se mi mbomodi antu anamo enko police station honum na menko find out if indeed it is true so there was a situation like that na nyamye ni mu no krenyi me call you know I approached one policeman in front.
MC,
yes, boss.
Yeah, particular with information and facts. Police station bang and I'll call ya
okay. Liberia Camp Police Station.
Liberia Camp Police Station.
Yes, please.
Okay,
yes.
Good.
Yes, it's because I think say program it was held around Liberia Camp. Nah, before I met to us, I think the program sub chiefs be a more council and holding the program according to them is to promote the young talent and I say upcoming talent now award the Liberia Camp. And apart from that, the Liberia Camp name say what's here, it sounds a way of say excuse me to use the word akrom for who for ne like any papa and Liberia Camp. So yes, and they tried to organize that shows yearly just to promote talent, and apart from that to just make sure say they clean or they wipe the debts around the name Liberia Camp. That is actually the main reason why they held that show. Now, Saturday actually me call to police or direct me call inside, and me call is one or two things around that area and there was a lady be me call to or no a confirmation me say ne enye Saturday na assembly say it was Sunday na omunya something of a sort.
Okay, ma mention the your casa no. Once almost started show no Saturday and yes. Assembly 2 a.m. during the show. And Emremuna na books muno ebe Sunday she is right.
Okay, all right. Okay. It say I think say show na they see ohono dey and I think say what can you actually it's you for. But now I mean go back to the police station issues no. Maybe say she was like honestly or not any the right person to disclose anything around what happened that very night. That very morning. And you know anka or directing me the CID and answer the one or investigation or okita that very case no. Okay. Apart from that, you know, me call on so not yet say some CID and he wasn't around at that very moment.
Okay.
Yes, and to your chairman say if I can hold on, it may be understand Kaminya or non the contact numbers in the CID the contact number so that I can just communicate with him directly. But and also no or catch me say personal reasons in Tabia on personal or the another bamame unya yanka. I didn't try to challenge on that. So me PN and me 2 calls about Kasua head office no Omo police station.
Okay.
Call be and I may be one Mr. Edu. Honestly, CID sir. And I may be saying this is the situation and it feels like say I'm not really getting any information like that. So he also told me say member more than say me who station master.
Okay.
Yes, na me who station master. If say divisional commander and as a regional commander, Aman go ahead say they should talk about this very situation and this very case to the media, or they can answer me. But I also call on station master, so I didn't get a chance. But I'm still on standby, and then I'll make sure say Abia, I'll get a station master and then talk to him. And if anything, I'll make sure say I'll just feed the audience like they are expecting.
Okay, now very much shortly, police station menua okoye oma confirm me oma jia tumuse eyampa sister bi awu from show bi e course so ewo Kasua Liberia camp oma confirming.
Good. And then I make sure said the lady na me call no horn first now no see police, you know. Or no ne correct me say it wasn't a Saturday, it was a Sunday. So indirectly she's confirming to me say there's a situation like that.
Wa confirm say sister bi awu.
Yes. And I'm sure
Saturday and Sunday assembly are clear.
Yes.
See what is important here say I am passing obi awu because
yes.
say Ghanaian musicians ne event organizers don't bet my BBR for attention.
Yes.
And the police for confirm say I am pass sister B I call running who stage who and near person confirming na favor.
It is confirmed.
I say
confirmed. Yes, it is confirmed. But I'm here to find out from the lady's parents. I learned say almost free Akwitia. The family of the lady, the almost free Akwitia. So I know so made them so to from baby amenya nenda hofoni bi anase na ebusuan fo no directly na ye ne almost so edi ho nkomo. And I'm assuring the audience say and our listeners say whatever the situation is, it is no. You be making sure say benya ni nyina abremo persona send fatanso
ene MC men na we dey me ma wadwuma xylophone for betua ka same flex sentiment ya xylophone betua ye na hwehwe oba no abusuafo dey we free mu no may her soul rest in perfect peace ba be na abusuafo na before I be pompo no wanya ma na ye nto ankomo is why.
All right,
thank you so much. His name is MC Barima. MC Barima is a staff at Flex newspaper. Sammy Flex TV rather. Sammy Flex TV. And again, he's your MC, your favorite MC. And you're tuning Kano. Shana, Akwaba.
Basam.
Bibi Aboko.
Basam Bibi Adenya Boko. Ghana for person the pressure na Mahama ni Akufo-Addo to me handle ne be share me kon.
Ghana for pressure bi ama e pacho.
Person mo tete.
Ghana for pressure bi ama. Ghana for my thing.
Last time na you draws na a weapon of mass destruction and
change. Pressure mo ma on dey way.
Honestly, like I'm very for the girl's death. So what I say, I'm me a type of natural, you know.
Data check is out.
I care more about people. Until say obi friend kwampwa.
You vibrate if it's for.
Enye film kra na me na kra me tell me not talk less say it's an issue like this happening around me. But the way they are carrying the news around, you know, and me ya no power me T Peace FM ni OK FM. It was very bad. They are distorting the stories and musician no or no local frag girl no some brand no man $10,000 and all in a boys in the months war no and a whole lot which is not true.
Okay.
It's rather unfortunate.
Nkomo ehu minim say na ehu no ye artist and na original stage and ama de asi na si minim say na ehu no minim how you are handling it but nkomo ehu pa anti men people ho kasa o de yento yebo ne yen settle and some one after the other na original stage
that's am patcho I mean na me stage
such na abobe time.
To be honest, before I'm beko stage, you know, it was a show, no.
My questions in short.
Time no more day, and they say, me perform we are. I think say me perform we are. They will put
now above time, babe.
Something. It
was
around 2 something. Yeah, it was around 2 something. Until
2 a.m. Until police no more say Sunday no. Right.
They are right. It happened on the Sunday dawn.
Oh, Sunday
in the dusk after during the dusk before
artist better performing as an aoba.
I think some me call you know na Rashid Meta and performing after Rashid Meta na the self e buy until the self performing we you know me wo small boy bi wo kaswa your friend Solar Boy
on so perform
on na buy be clear road no until me ba no mpunom say no FBS aba and FBS mo ko baby until no they came to plead with me so me nya bo trainer FBS for no then and performing the FBS performing we you know and on be fa me fika no the microphone man na me dey go stage but bra sam I didn't say
train Shana komo na hu enti men people ho ne kasa no anko kan de hu hia tobo wa yina ya wa hase ya de asem ne beto na o artist no sane ya wakasa man for my pressure no o betimi yi sa pressure na den afiri so artist be co stage o mutimi organize e ma bi an nipa bi some ra mechi o mo app eye abayo a asemato no before co stage na oni na din komo bi sa o ko na stage a omra mesama
brasa me oni bibi sa you draw so new we ankasa no people have misconceived the meaning, you know. They will show YouTube na show video no cry now but we say beginning yeah play bi and he feel play bi asem na say me person o ti say from an angle now we say Ghana for discerning people
shana chain me sing common na edin men kasa keke we yes amafo be get it wrong o me boa o men yes stubborn I'm helping you here we yes stubborn pe amafo be ji wani ato
brasa me man fru bia say be chie me
yes question me bisa no na fe oni na YouTube na ehun ya o shedi you na say amafo kan na me say una open problem ma o Shano be a problem ma o na open problem ma o
there be brasa me problem dem me ma me ho
na me senti ye ni nkomo
mate brasa me
enfefe ho no ye ni nkomo enti na unnim no
menim no da
oye video bi e promote show no sa video no uhu ye
nwanwa say it was just yesterday and I mean who sa video no
Steka mo sa video na oye e the promote show no me pese ye mo na ye ntie abusiafo because of nen common na ye di ni asem na si no some of the scenes ebe graphical kakra some of the words ebia na emu edru ba mo fan chain na ye ni nkomo we entertainment asem Xylophone FM epen ye betimi aka ne se ne ye betimi aka no station bia na ye betimi aka no be news 2 minutes 3 minutes no ma wie Xylophone FM pe Ghana Entertainment Headquarters entertainment class prefect meeting akonwa ni mu metume bu ma biebiem no bia ti ase enti montomobo ensem ni bo atina ani enyanya fa chen ye pese o ti ase ensem asi enipa wo enipa wu emeka be am fa girl no she watch ni picture to no mu say nya Broni dey obi ewu like fine girl awu yes wa wonta ampo nche yes eso ya wonta yes enche ena wawu enti no enya growth asem ni edi wa before show no abaya ne ka asem bi ana ye video bi na ensem say no kan
Chiamuni na system anything to that ben o de wan kasa calculate you system live how la beria come street carnival China miss program we because I guess we ready for everybody China system general make you no love this show hey live beria come hey we want because that day this system January. Go
Facebook chatted DJ sticker. Ma edit video. Ma edit video. But the nyashi. Matthias. The producer said, "The mimi pese, the normal person."
Ready for everybody. System January. Make no noise.
Na person obi ati. Ensem na ye kan jata mo edit am for ntiase. Mo edit am for ntiase because enye we nye hype asemu. Na ye hu nipa tili o person can be support the maitre jata mo.
It's a light issue at all.
Yes.
And the reason why I would plead for all our listeners to let us bend the rule today and go very that might be the only way this man, if he is really innocent, he can be vindicated.
Yes.
If not, I must say.
Enti Facebook jata the producer or na juma wa edit send also edit mani clean oni ni sticker. But pese muntie video ni ye, muntie original video ni ye. Yeah.
Chiamuni na system anything to that ben o de wan kasa calculate you system January live how la beria camp street carnival asam igboru China miss program we because I guess we ready for everybody China system January make no love this show hey live la beria camp hey we wan ba wa because that day just free for free woman hey the system January go big back
the matter chop hot
Assembly t0t0. Hey!
aye the matter chop hot
Assembly t0t0. Hey!
aye
Sa otiye de okan o se bibi free wa ma waja ho eyam panso enema koye free ho shana afa yento aso sa video we uhuye
enra na me hu sa video we
enra pe na uhuye as a performer akoye show ni bi no o show obi na commission ni say onye video fan promote show no ana say ono ana oye because of a fan obe call Kaswa show or Jinani
brasa me to be frank me fans there say we shatawale if you are so Ghana ho be any crazy fans the thing is you nya chance in
or your fan
that is what I gathered later say or be out semenyoma she goes haywire later the information I gather from the few people I know them around me fan me na down for no I say or not say me ba nti munya ka say Charlie Shana be show 16 for Liberia show no munya ka ya no Shana be show 15 for Liberia camp no enyo no kwant that and kenyo no kwan na e ba o enyo no kwan na nka oba girls be kan ho anka omo no mo ne ba but I think say something happened them say omo no they were not around nti we na nkasa no na we mean say and I say you draw senyum no since am born nyum no ma chire mu but anytime bia na enyum be drop bia no there is a way I might na kwa me post video bi on my Facebook page e wo Peter Kwawlate o call me Facebook page obi hu wo ho no original channel page ni so nya wo ho wo be ko no me konima and so say I am a type friend I want a girl who can come and twerk to my song. What I say, yeah, Muslim. What I do is that, you know, if you sky the amame no, I like to give away some to my fans, but I don't like throwing money in crowd. Today, me and they say, wow, best I was a time I made $50, best for. Oh, that's what I do. Me share that's a scan in dollars.
Okay.
Now
my onye obi ana one commission is on video me
just request that
and on the day yanko back to the night yanko back to Saturday night into Sunday no ebreben and again the big na stage ni so ero ne ho na empanifo manimu Mr. na menka sister ero ne ho no dane ne na chi se ne ma wo so omoto omosa omoye no na oro ne ho onye se oro ne ho mane ka ne to ne niam akosi akuman edem Emeka ewo video no stick out to audio no ananye sa mama yenhwe like I said and then because of common identity monto mo boase na yembiebiem me ho said do na so about Facebook live obi a person hu de eko Emeka raw video no editing raw person obi ehu komo na yedi no se enye nkomo hu obi mu ni trimu na oka raw video no obegina stage ni so na raw ne ho no sign it here yenko at this stage minim se menka se sister no ewo na wawu no eyen kwase ewo se ye ewo na okay Shana
brasa me
enti tama uwo stage ni so no eden na o kan ye ansa na sister iba big na stage ni so awro ne ho edidi o kire odidi kire ye edi kire eden na o ka kire no
brasa me I mean say we entertainment man we entertainment echiache I mean we are entertaining the fans. I just called out say okay say munim say nyom best start na me say HM4 mo ankasa munim dada HM is my movement Hwana movement tim say HM4 say munim dada ritual song because they turn this song to be like a ritual song to me can ritual song so be any handkerchief into nyom no first one and I'm pulling it up and I'm say no as usual the competition is on me in the form of competition. See guy bako and the D can buy no see boss now twerking na the man to me twerky biana na say train any obano bebano one nasa to one me see de be me satana guy ni jam in chain on make so to me see de na me twa me no here was Madam Abna first Ama Broni, that's what the name I gathered she's called.
Your friend say
Ama Broni. I don't know German chain.
Me editor director for our Facebook live stream Emeka or see video no when ya another one enti no dey yemo en command the obo video no enti wa person hwe bi no obetimi akohwe bi or see when ya video na on the obo
enti brasa say wo hwe video na
meba train me see edian sem na as an artist o kan ye ansa na all back o ko perform no na stage ni so bi
there be men who know stage
good and as an artist perform here before be babe joining no stage no I guess artist no a team a be an management team ne road manager I'm a producer for bra stage needs to be because no am meet as a stage near be 5 feet tall.
Yeah, 5 feet tall.
And you be like a bit it is time bang and o allow and our team no allow the money buy then I'm catch no
I just go into like yo as usual me obi obetimi atweke to the you draw song no so obi obetimi atweke
wait how you see no
because that works and they say me pay hello yo me po baby say mo amunim dada be twerk you draws na to one man for ye everybody was like na ye na me twa me na chese ono no we do what dada ogina ho nti before anyom ne be drop na be to you draws back me na no me say we yi to show video now so yi be do ne na ase wo hu to yi be do na ase no to be fair I was thinking say mostly no she bikini bi ana this kind of pants maybe nti no me hu no but me kwa me yemu she me say wo share extended video ana long shot na wo hu say me regional chen kwa me komechi something I don't know something just spoke to me say in fact the girl need there to be frank she's fine man me wo audio bi I know be sending me we show o say wa obetimi abe wrong ba so bet say wa obetimi abe start to you draws into one catch wa obetimi wrong that be o dey say o audio na agbo na yentie because man can wrong wo me say wa obetimi to you draws. You have an audio like and what is he saying?
Well, we will video say video send me or say or catch kwafone say obetweke na we or see obeyi ni draw so until as a lady na pen na or catch kwafone so or see obeyi ni draw so what's that video no? Yeah, I'm sending it to you right now. Send him Jata. And send him mommy. Another video. And where another video on a different platform. The person is telling me that it's something he does.
I do all the time.
Asema or can
Tilly when you kaswa asem no.
Nah,
Dabi. Yeah, kaswa asem. Don't divert the issue. Kaswa den asema ba ho. Madin anini madie hweama ho. Sticker famiko ho na mintie sene original shana e kan ye pa. Yenti de o kan ye pa. Shana, yeah. But also one cassette or power bar better run the draw.
Who said to be frank? Who said see second one was me power bar or Baba Sanway in the draws? He draws and yeah, so I'm telling earlier one. Me have videos and me be share.
That be video.
And now when you on stage,
a performance as an artist. When I carry performance no, and you unim the course.
That's what I'm saying.
Now the video, you got the video there anyway. Omo be na when so no be na send ma send you be send back be akoye o ni mama tili. Enti commander o ma girl no and obey. Is that the case? Yen funny say commander o ma girl no obey. Okay, so I no obey you know. And you can say on me run ho normal o man $100.
Man can son run ho. Me see when you need draws. Say draws the name we say the difference so.
O be obey ni draws sir. No one check $100.
You draws na mama $100.
No one near person o can.
That's what I said.
First now so the bet work. But one cat the obey ni draws.
Oh me can you draws can go if you be in here.
O can say the bet work.
But
see idea.
Yeah, it's working.
One cat working.
Audio now boss is here.
Okay, fine. Some most of the time twerking I'm use. I did me tie. It's not my
first time. The one you should twerking.
And say no, I not fine. Say audio never out there. No, that's I'm just holding it.
That's the one you share the okay. Sticker. Confirm me ho you fancy ho twem $100 no oye wie no ne sakan
brasa me say you stage nti no otweke kakra no me mama na anya den anche when I saw say wa run hu nya na the thing was mama na I got then yes I got scared didn't say I know Muslim Ghana
Emeka anya original video no on Facebook
Muslim
Emeka I know what you say we can tell you Emeka from Sudan
that's again na me shame that me shame it me change kakra
movie kakra no atwa so
last time so long short video na mani here no so
Emeka no ni ho do nya
na obehu me reaction
enti Shana o the $100 ne man
na me say I after show until no me who say we know say na me pull nyom no off until I shielded her say because I didn't want it to prolong e bia na fan bi ntumi an contain ne ho na was jumping on the stage. But what I saw even later in the video, the one guy was even trying to cover herself up.
I saw that one.
Like I saw them, I'm saying pull up. Until I shielded her. So unra crowd in the moon like on Shanatare, like confirm woman change stage, you know. On confirm change when shielded is all Shanatare. And you know, it was like after performance na KBA, I'll be giving her money or something because that's what we do most of the time. Until Honomona, my tempo was stage after that. I think I just performed the song again over and the people were cheering and I got down. Till omode me see form no omode me ko share car ni mu no. Car ni mu na makola ba ko be ka chem say bosu. Girl no be say ya no to eke no. Wa collapse all kono see form no wa slip wa collapse da ho. But it looks as if say electric bia I say why get shocked I don't know nti. Na say I was well no so me trans me nya botre na people they are taking care of her. Na me hu so omode na to moto. Obi afa moto mom de na to ichire.
Moto
say at that moment that's a car behind the people did their best.
But I also to come.
Maybe road in access road in to where the hospital is. Just a sank or sign yechi. Eko far and for very risky. Moto. I'm fan to Sasso Crank. I think it was better.
I'm fan to moto saying like me.
No, like who said
any part train at moto niso.
Exactly. Somebody heard and almost soon when they rushed there to the hospital.
Okay, so Emeka is also showing us the girl at the mortuary. That video is also showing on our Facebook live feed. The lady at the mortuary, Mecca, is also showing that on our live feed. In case you are doubting what we are saying, I'm a Broni here. That is the name. Ebiso is Slay Queen. Ebiso is Debe but a commercial now that Mecca a show video. So am I? It's moto and on the farm.
They rushed her
on a motorbike.
On a motorbike, bike can see any be very the
right down not Nancy and
I'm in shade trainer and I saw say now it was in a very comfortable moving to hospital.
Mistrona Menkan stage national tissue and a while woo
100 dear Brasame, I cannot be in the capacity. Man, whatever I'm saying here beyond the backstage beyond is what I heard. And yep, what I personally saw, it's a dear me huini dabi. Mamet say go for work can say again we trouble ma like I said to more rational. Into China may say no, I mean rashi hospital. I told my manager say Charlie, may yanko hospital and yanko girl no na. I don't know the way by your stage so now we even do yan China bibi ni to no atun backstage but at say we be show love. I mean fan love no we no yanko share no. Ti yakwa no local hospital almost gate ni say almost say doctor share no. To mo bi enrem. Inti me on my way now your back and me to me car me con on the way and I call no. I was calling one of the organizers Charlie girl no what's up no chance Charlie girl na log out. It was a impromptu, like a shock you like everybody felt like how because CC within this short minutes. So I think Nama I didn't raise the eyebrows with brain. Say I hope say Kage we were major stage and you draws and Uncle Jamba said no trouble one cabana give Yanka.
Shut up, my miss how same way. Same way be to top artist be that a friend of Miss Bell and yes secret me Ferris me bonidin. Etono tech Kumasi KNUST or perform students no money ne tare ne travel some rural yes a video must share wrong places should be say I'm very mawa e bi abo e bi aye niema e bi afafa niema like unim niema making na say oba ote say oba kokko ne to so erro ne ho ema ni akosuo kuma ebe dabia
nema na kan dem neoma na say then neoma na opache
me nye mi hu metimi aka na mapache
let's be real because it's every agina no we see to me real na ye dissecting sem no
oh say ye kan akosuo kuma obi oti bi anim ne properties oba property obi anim ente no de mema enye deti ho asem no hia ye hwa asem na ye nka ojiri say boys omo ho obi amfane sanka no obi amfane san call wrong place obi am try say obi take advantage of her ujidi say bibi sensi
brasa me from media me side ho de bibi ensi but dem gather and say ono ne boyfriend cry ne nam
oni ne boyfriend e ba ho
say na me gather later say yes no ne boyfriend and I say o ka che ne boy ne say hey no original channel ade a me ya che na mo dem so mo be sabotage na mo ma na hete a ene original channel twin mutan obe they say obi one of the fan
girl they say most mo ma na hete a
mo ma me hete a kwan bia so ne o me mama hete that's what catch ne boy nti no gene hu fi ne boy ni simple no full stage no that is what I gathered later and at time I can begin person me establish a fact and say
enti ono adwem no obero ne to eyi ne pussy chira dey say wa hete
me dey say eno na
dey say wa hete
say brasa me obi do fan do fans no ho
dabi men kasa dodo me say eno na no gidi say obeya ebe mo hete ana
say bia sa no so dwen ye so ya ebe mama hete na wi aseso ateme nka dey ado no
enti enema mienu na sofa yate ebi se otishri was stage ne so no okoto wire bi so naked wire ne kiki no ana electricity no eno wuye ebi se niti share stage bi ase ebi se niti ko boy bo so de we na wo wate
brasa me narratives ne de wo kan nyamati ni nyina de o mo kan ye ne say or sleepy ye na okobon say stage ne wo braces in terms say niti ko na before no mo stage na nkasa no shocky bounce ye sheshe mpaboa ne ade ni ntino
organizers no mo ye show no agile my stage no electric ebe kan na ordinance on show you
obi ne make his statement no says stage no mo ho kan
o feel sa experience no sa shock
frank I didn't feel it but I assume say me she mpaboa ne ade because girl no buy no she mpaboa. She was barefooted when she came.
Okay.
You know, I'm surprised. I'm sure say eno na bia and I outside na ade no so no sweating na ade no. Me sure say I'm surprised say bia no na trigger am. I was electric so the nsuo wo ho to me attract it.
Say uye pani ushi obi a wanom nsa wa fa nura hu. Girl no big na stage no why say na bi.
But I mean name girl into me name the status of personality senior tie. But show so the only so be ba obia to me dey twa kakra
na wo no watwa kakra
me no monsa I don't drink alcohol
na wa she kakra
rasa dey obia nim say Ghana ha GP kra nim say me fireman fire nation for me na me on president nti na pesa be call parliament am call legalize ye hwe legalize ganja
nti no dey wa fire kakra
me dey bia nya say ma fire me angasa no every blessed 24/7
nti oti hay kra wa fire
anopa we dey in fire
because you nyane on
them yeah me sorry
no problem you pon up so fire you betimi a fire
mama reception baby na ma because I really need to cool down my mind
I had a fire wa the fight you do be ko baby baby na ko fire had a bacho e fire wa e facho ye ni abre wa had ye juma $100 anyway
$100 no
ewe
it's there. It's in the Cofex. It's not in my pocket now, but it is there. It is reserved somewhere.
You find say I'm a Bruna we will only win here. O dey scan bedding.
Well, yeah, try say and sabeka ne mame. Omo be sending omo ase omo be sending number na my person friend ne mame mu. Ne ne ebusuafo no hia. Even though asem we no metimi disclaimer ka say me ni we bia wom and I think say brasa with your own experience no laws can hold me but nipa nkwa e na ya hwere no onipa na wewu asem ni mu no e na de again ne be ye no so no me chiri de metete ye na kire say ye fan love this obi betumi ade ne do ahye omu as an artist na wako extra mile ya de bia e be ma wo so show na wo ye no etumi geni some kind of you say audience be near there na say unfortunately right after all corner right on the stage now could to meet on timely death like this na accident be say sina bibi na even though you bia na eye no sa na ye we no we still have to show concern because enye bibia mpo na odomi as a fan.
Last election na oye parliamentary candidate party bank
GCPP, Great Consolidated Popular Party. That's Dan Latte's party.
Constituency bank.
Ewutu se kaswa
Ewutu senya.
Yeah.
Babia honorable
Hawa
Kunsin ewini yen.
Yeah.
Hona na unsu ujina. Ujina Dan Latte.
Dr. Latte.
Meka Oluma
na nkasa.
Ujina GCPP. etu franka Emma constituency no.
Yeah.
Udi ahin ye bobo resource no udi ahin.
Salo ni say resource no bobo no boot ni de utimi say me na me pulling agent ni so antomu wi abebre but omu ja me kakra.
Udi ahin ye bobo.
Na ye say na ye 6 to 7 and I think I was the 6 to say I am na me that 6.
The matter chop hot.
t0t0. Hey.
The matter chop hot.
t0t0. Hey.
Original Shana Ewutu Senior constituency na parliamentary candidate no mo 6 and also 6 and no anam person oka and men kasa dodo ro now your event o krom ha
First.
we dem patch on person wadwen sharp man kan kire Ghana ha event ayaya ensem ato amanfo omo mapira oma ewu de we pen mate so bi ewe ba bia na de owo bi.
Okay.
The when how kai me ne organizers ne ba be kasa. But before me ne organizers ne be kasa me pese amanfo hu se ye ko event I was here careful because ensem asi ensem timisi we obi afa ho owu na owu we no ne ka din because the nema sister ne ya nsa na owu no minim se na busuafo 8 ya untimi nkasem bi ntia no but ensem ne ka din mami call line is rule na church question bisa say event akoso okrum ha nipa bi epra ABA some of them they were maimed like kai bi na mami update bi sesi on the line a gentleman a friend of Bismarck a been so friend UK guy ewo ho oka organizers ne ho Bismarck good morning
Sam
bibi aboko
obere de yatalimu pampe
na me adom montarim na yenhwe de besi yam branding no so bebre ba betimi ahwese betimi de be maximum 10 minutes bi de san komo we nyina wia show a course wo Liberia camp Budumbura no na oye den wom eden na oye wo show ni mu
show na a course you organizers and organizers na show no so no organizers we card bi mo bia nti unkra that card ne bia unya access to the stage and as unya access to artiste on ye card bi particular bia obeba be perform be one be hu ya unto me nti we was the main pillars me I was one of the main pillars.
Okay, good. But the other starting here fine pa nti one of the main pillars I must say unikada untimi enko stage ni so sister na yahwe videos hu se obero ni stage to no card ansa na oko stage ni so
girl no not only card ansa na oko stage ni so but they see anything come on about stage no that time na me ne Rashid Meta ya backstage inti me Rashid ko stage ni so and me come on first step to me shuri for other side because I was a crew member anti metumi aye dey
afa
baby akọ stage so bia to me stop me enti me hwi ko na stage ni so enti me gina so na me hu say ama no ene one of a guy bi ba me to me fan din ento justice ya ejina baby a me banner ne bo no enti me bi sama na ma oba be den o stage na o sinti oba besa na so besa say one invite to say besa until later on no be catch to oba be yin stage na say no ade we dey me no I am funny near manema want ade we dey me support but na in some way no who say e be support but be dem who dey supporting dey on support enti program ne be koso dey I was say me dey mabufu we dey secret stage no so because the creative virus we say men prayer bet me cause problem commotion be program nti bufu ye na me see ye nti me see ye na me ba down say then e course nti again abaso ba be you and I say shana ka be say oprobiama na ere ababe yi ababe perform oprobiama na yi ni ho ye da na
ye bold na ka say shana ka say oprobiama na be run the draw
shana we have the full video with us
and I'm say ye bold na ka the person o kana say o person o bobo break
No. Sana say obi obetumi ada aba stage ne so abeyi no ama ne $100.
Sana me pesa
oka. Eti na ti ase so obeba nti ne friends bi try some best stop no. Ama ne bo na dafo ba kokra so nsa de no stop no. So the rad ne ye.
Wow.
Into pesa no le ba stage na nkasa no. Eh that $100 sem no ka ye no we don't know this kind of again no pay there ye nim. But ne $100 no ti ye no be ye no waje ne $100.
Na Bismarck said show amuye minim said na Liberia company kaswa importemu no na ahemfo kakra ho na then as organizers munim say my show ahemfo ho amose mu di promote talent mo hwema obi ebegina stage run the draws
asebi na say ge na nkasa no kwa ofa so le ba stage to be honest sami me who no just stage no so. And I will talk say agro bio. I didn't see an ankasana aboy pusao. Aboy pusao. It was agro no muna. Kwai fwane wo great things to easy. I am fwane wo program as in ma commotion see after the incident.
Bismarck train asana beba ahemfo mo bufu ye ma e bi sorry free program na se no yese momo organizers so sure munim say nipa dodo oba ho makofa naked wise minim say moko illegal connections now na modi naked wise agugu stage ni ho yese wise ni bi na girl net beto so a eku no
assembly na say o say stage ni mountain stage ni si ho no mo no ye o be ele plant ni si e na crew members ni be guided that place ni kwan so obia fa ho no nti so ni koso na that side won obia amfa because ho na warriors ni connection bi bia wo e wo backstage na nti no obia amfa ho no nti ga no incident ni si we no okọ no ni mistake o ye ni say baby okofa no obia direct ni so amfa ho ono no the pressure fa ho. You know, a person jump to backstage now is already free because on him say I am fully bored for any money. I want to make main step on some before my name because I am fully be cool for so before my name matching up on any man. I'm assuming for say I'm running into no try to be escaping. Into by force no le fa on no. Other than 9 quarter down and I see why so. Into in fa step on so I'm going to see all no man no ma cover nobody left him said there. I am for no move no moon and head in any man tea. Omo quiet no to say. What's that? Offer on my best what you but 2% meeting. I just a stand step and I'll jump from my side now where they will be seen. It's an offer on I did not teenage now on my uncle for any month. I believe in our tally. And see one of our guy in a day in a day. A born was stage no soon on top from. Well, him that time no so no pressure in your man traffic ni the ways na block it moto na ye de yenya ye na ba ko tra na chi na mo ne ko hospital was so mu do ono na doctors no mu ye slow na camp ankasa hospital na ankasa na sa problem ye on ma same ye pese mo so ma mu do na delays in your pressure na ba on nzi na mo so boys na rushes na so ehu kakra wo mumu. Nti allegation ne koso no mo hwege ne niam na temper ne ba down na was a doctor ne atani to get na just again why nyame dia deda.
I see. Pacho girl no oba kaso ampotem ho a dodo na anim no obi a oye popular.
Oye popular oye side but outside there we don't know. But yeah, no, Kaso, I mu Liberia Cambudumbram, again, a very popular pan, and the crew so a popular wow, say HF Queen, what tattooed HF Queen at Lunachi, I just say, on a day, Dio be a friend, I don't know. And even before program, Nakasan Kono, first video be or yeah, no, to me promote 2 videos that program, my energy. Can you Bobby or Buadia on your basabasa?
Oba on your basabasa no Timmy Berro on the draws page na a Germano. Him for now on. Oba Ben on your basabasa. Dan no was shishi abubo afafa neamana.
And the only Yaman Kwan name to see any baby.
And then Yamin Kwan name.
Penny name, dear. No one knew that time, no to never yes, I.
I see. Motimi ehu nabusuafo as organizers of the show motimi ehu nabusuafo. Hello Bismarck.
Hello.
Me pacho motimi ahia ama Broni abusuafo.
The call ye nipa ba ko bi ko hospital no wa meeting abusuafo no bia ama ko police station wono ama sobu bibia
masovu bibia wi sisi
ya na akwa ma oda o se mo kire a ye tototo ne ma se de be ya ibi da ibi si ni ma ni
ya tete se oyobi a wawo ntampo a enche me pacho sanete
true ne ma me ne hwe nkola no akwati nkola no kwem se omunya 1 year kura nche bia
nkola no akwatia
akwala no ono ne ma me nche akwati
I see. Enti Bismarck mu take responsibility and mu take blame say mo wires no ene ku no mo gia tunsa.
Yanji entumusa unse same.
Enti de ne ku no shana ne ku no.
Okay, me to me kasa shana ne ku no but
and I was want to me kasa mo wires ne ku no.
Ne ku no because that there wow same say wa onim say one man ne ba stage.
Shana ne money bar stage.
Yes program. Wires no so one dey. Enti yes any dey. Ya me pele beti na che dey kun girl.
Enti organizers Shana na wires no nema me nsa we na akuno.
Wasu you are the la we dey.
Oh, Debbie, sir, Nina can investigation and make us a baby your radio soon. Ya perceive who said why and from so. Shana na or friendly bar stage no yen from so say or man girl no be running home. And I say organizers now more anxious say why say what ni power we bet me afa baby ano because say o ka say na mu protect and katama o ye na agi so be jump no be kat dabi men jumping far. Say us na mu protect ho a.
Same no ye first. Yeah, Shana and the man bar stage. Nti yes so wires na we on again so one far the right place na was in the power policy no and okoto sa wires nim so nti Shana na ma ne ba at the same time all corners so ye wires so the head e no by ya susu say enye ye susu ye say bibi say e be see because we know say danger we chi on plant ne we nti ne ma obi amfa ho
enti time asem see moto a show ni so na mo pon
ye to a show no so e ma tata kura time asem see e kana rasku kukura no perform e
nti later mo na buy
obi abai because ye de ne ye nya
ti show ni pon be time be show ni pon be time be on the day
show ni pon be 4 a.m.
Okay
it's a Sunday done.
Okay. I also Marco police station. I caught some reporting Bibia song.
Bibia than Aqua.
Okay.
Yeah, organizing that. By a full day or camp mortuary.
Go to camp mortuary. Okay, Bismarck, yenya dia kanema police for na yenhwe de mbe
yenhwe de nyame be sa na de na
nice one ti yen de ye bekoso abo amanfo koko ewo yen ko event no say ye ko event yenye careful why. Okay, ya point amefro.
The omo keka no so no abotre a why. Nti bibia ni amode mo ye dem.
Eden omo keka.
Finger ne ma mo so ma finger no ma yese ni na air force.
Obi amfa ne sanka no.
Girl no we no okọ no bi o fire no na.
Na am pass on the day on any boyfriend nearby.
Ne boyfriend. Girl na de ha camp na yatin de nim ne boy wa ha.
Shana
na say bia na le baby father bi wo kotia wo de aba camp wa de yentumi.
Shana say on the day on any boyfriend and a bar na ogene simple free the boyfriend also okoye mo nka so nyai.
Girl na very friendly. Into wa obi betumi aka bibia mu waje de ama ope agro ne ma only be ma agro ne we nti eno the air force. The boy knew that time. And you on the boy na wo. Lipa na mu suspect say the boy na yen the boy. One of guys if your maba program ya na passing time na the man ya be yen the boy.
Yeah, passing time.
Yeah, wa unim say show be koso agro be koso kakra DJ ni nyama nti that time no ne boy ne na e den e didi komo won nchen entertain nkrofo fit be the boy that time by yen the boy.
Bismarck, yeah, that's it. If I'm coming here, me point from there. Yeah, heard the police report now. Kwasi, why?
Mate.
All right, thank you so much, Bismarck, aka UK guy. Stick out, see. Yempon, come away here. Yeah. A futu, a then I'll be can, come away see. Then come away see. Investigation and Percy and heavy.
With the BBN or Nipa Becania, SNS heavy. Minjin is a girl and Casano Cohon Muse or Kwaku. Intino, sometimes a Rebecca say Quasi a woo. But at the end, they no union say woo no much for Benny than a toy. Near Quasi a much ya. Intino, Mamma Maya in fact, Uncle Coco actually, sir. Minjin is a Cohon Musoko, a sea. But no more born a wetchin no so no. Niaka wetchin no yanso yaba bon by. Niaka wetchin yaba bon by.
Okay. Ro, take over now. There also a futu the event. First me the can be some question say event men yakwa en sem asisi ho a unim.
Okay, nya many who ebi wo honom a eba out ama yete ebi wo honom so a because of the way I show ne tie no and tempie
more cover up.
Yeah, and you say a cover up, but steps are immediately taken to like cover all those things. Say obi pra there could be ambulance or IC honum just to take care of some of these things. And anything na yeah,
they all kai there when they were.
Yeah, make kai on top of my head. I think Fuse ODG last year, 1st January Netina Festival. Is it Labadi Beach Hotel? Yeah. Stage, you know, a ball be so
Labadi Beach Hotel.
Yes.
I take one manager no.
Yeah, I take one manager no.
Okay.
And the recent one is CIF famous so medical. This is welcome to Sotium show no
yeah.
Park no. Yes, that is also another one. But there's a BACC stadiums including Shatawale ni Stoneboy mu show. I think a shaman to the world. A BAC that sometimes the fans can go haywire. I might be one of they just want to climb the stage and all that, whereby they will be having encounter with the security and all that. But some of these shows, there are your friends say since I make an ambulance and immediate health care, first aid, this and it take care of those people immediately. But unfortunately, you know, we and koba some part to the extent say will be a frame.
Okay, now I mean tie the role person kan na Matiso Gidi Brown train o twati ti muma enye na bra Ogidi so mra metnas 912 na nkomo ne de mu oshinko enti ro den abeka na shana or call
mera ho because this is mera ho pa
and sticker city way and a special request
that
me nim de ntia obo because men cast so much instrumental man me nim de ntia DJ sticker for you sticker heavy na ma for be kono kobia it is a wrong list
so much pretend
bro to also
boss stories na Shana Alkane the one from the organizers Bebre well one say the way I show ni sifati anything no to me all my narrations ni no mo making in insisi so there are so many questions, so many loopholes. Like as the organizers of this event in particular, so like mistakes need a very very huge. Some unpardonable because this is homicide. Where a homicide case panka. I am asking say senkebi ekoye shana hu nipa and ekoye organizers nemu bi ombusu ni bi pona. Even say obesa was stage so mpo ana say obeboamo with organization maybe crew member or boamo with organization bi wonu ma yitimika so wire we off mic we off Charlie kwechi ho ko check na okwechi ho na bibi say koto na na ye wo abusuani a how enka sese na ye oh ye na ebusuafo na kaza na ya so bi in the space of 3 days obi ewu mo so obi ewie obi ewu mo so obi ewie how the person died, what is the autopsy report, and then the report na doctor naka see we have some eyewitnesses claiming say oh ebi awafa bibi obi so say electric shock obi so say your friend is saying obi na di na shana no inviting no stage no ebi ano no so we dro bi na ayena magel na hwe ne nkwa. What are the doctors saying about the death of this girl? And if say electrocution and power, that means organizers now are very, very loose and they need to report themselves to the nearest police station. Police station. Police for an investigation, I was saying, because we a homicide. Obi afemu ahwere ne nkwa. I was see a chill be a charge. I was see the code be pa because organizers no because these errors enye adia. Inti ever says enka one of the artists. One of the artists na oka say oh because we've seen like footages of events even artists be performing kra amati ahweda yes amati ahwe every stage ne so abofom even recently kra Afrochella block party no mo ye Afrochella block party no mo ye stadium Independence Square on side American boys ne perform na one of them out of excitement will be on mom team free stage so speakers na see him no more race him just to hype the crowd na guy back e buy esa oba na na grim not tishi stage na se pepe wo bia wires ne wono etin ka yem bisa ye ho se senka if there were to be naked wires one say no mo claim sisia na anka guy no nka wu flat a o ya artist nka wu free wow Anka we free. You see, we should send out some of these cautions to people. And you say we nya 2 speakers, nya microphone, pakata for we bonchenko event as ya offer one event organizer. No, it doesn't happen that way. You understand? We should put things in place. What happened to organization stage in the send on mountain, send on fix say send on wiring. How safe was the event? Security at the same honum. Even when it comes to security, even barricade I prevent a crowd no from the stage because we him say wires nene monitors ni speakers na ebin ben stage na no obia enche obia ho beka because artist perform here obetimi abe kwenche the mic until there is always a barricade between the crowd and the stage. Barricade na wo ho no when and even there should be an artist which should keep artist security on stage at the saying there are so many questions to sir errors way or creative mo be assure mo nkwa. They need to answer these to the police or the CID who is in charge.
So finally, let me listen to Tilly Akenipa on this, and I also start another interview with Ogidi Brown, another fact-finding interview with Ogidi Brown. Tilly, wrap up for me.
I want to
open your bar,
yeah,
and to know.
Yeah, I want to do a back and forth with you. As in, me person obechembe me bisa wa no ma me answer na ya to aso. So one friend and backstage. Do you think said there will be a possibility some kwoti asiende?
Well, that one I can't tell.
Okay, but you did this say like you accept so or bar stage, you know, or friend your bar stage now or corner be tono, right?
Or buy no corner be tono.
Which means say kawan bana ko jan be ojira wo crowd ni man ko on ko jina wire so ho.
And but
mate ube you who naked at our stage.
Me me that.
Is it right like as an
but
artist?
But me naked. Na make say bibia ye for fun. But
Matthias say o friend na or buy na your sister ko manage na ho.
Enu nti na me cutting so
now me one cut boss me who video no you didn't cut it o gina ho manage etwork kakra na me who say guy bia or share red cover lady no and sana I think say now best stop you say na video ne cut it. You didn't stop it. Oh friend no and per the way the other guy spoke no it was sort of premeditated. The lady was standing by before you even called for it, which means say she knew you were going to call for it. And original back
na o say me di kaka say me ye show bia na sa segment no won nti ono no me say me nya information say we di kaka say the obeye no nti so guy ne can say ono no wa catch ne na fofo no dada say the obeye enne no. So remember I said that it's exactly what
video them crowd.
Yes, it's exactly what
but now Prince say oba be yam.
But I'm a fans there, to be frank. Show your TV3.
Train. Asama see. Obesan free fan bison sa mesa de we biem.
That's me. Entertainment there. Say ye entertain ejuma yeso ye no. Ye jiji nkrofo ni. Nti no calling a fan to come on stage to dance na e bia this next time no may cautious me nkoka say be you hu na me ma $100 na say be you draw some me ma $100 because I no let me can asem na akofa asem aba nti no I only accept it on the ground to say me can say obi mbeyi ombesan yi ni draws na me $100
draws yes ombesa
ombeyi ni draws na $100
ena obesa ye na oyi ni draws na wugina ho me question me bisa say kaya wo sister no full stage na oba na yi ni draws sa woni pem
so really
no,
so
yes or no would yes or no boss
yes if she will so
you let your sister oba so oba girl la oba na gina stage yi ni draws woni pem
entertainment there sometimes you can't control certain things.
Okay, why exactly are you in the media? Are you promoting a song? Are you cause asema wo kan say the girl on so obama we blow. And for me this is the biggest blowing. She's dead and you are now in the media. So what? Have you blown?
Cecilia me sorry anopa we. Headlines e wo Ghana nyina Medina daso.
Okay.
Original channel Peace FM, UTV, Angel TV, Angel FM. Nti no ABA on say we are saying say Michael Jackson obi to me wu I was stayed because of Michael Jackson. There were stories around Michael collapse. Na me nim say bia me ye Ghana ni na say be me ye Rasta man na me de ye de won bu yen bi nti na bia so obi ewu ama me me nka say wo no wu na me do but nipa to me do ho do hye no mu na and I'm a star.
No, because
I'm a celebrity and people like automatically star bia.
I understand.
Can do a lot
I would
of
think
things.
that you would want to see the family first than to be in the media trying to blow or be
No, I'm not in the media to blow. News now no. I need to clarify things before and sana Medina be say.
No, but you're not telling the truth.
Which of the truth am I
because the
telling?
story you are telling us, it doesn't match. I must say
assembly is what I heard. I'm not saying it to be specific.
Even the things you said, you are not saying the truth. The things you said, but
I said you should come and do
and remove no, you didn't say try to you don't see you would draws. You draws, boss man. That's
down,
what you said. No, it's not calm down. Only pay
entertainment.
No, it's not entertainment. So it's life. No, this is not entertainment. Really?
Now you dress a bomb.
Remember I asked you. No, it's not bomb. No. But so original crowd in the Musuna.
She's not the first person. She's not the first person.
Right?
Who's the video? She's not the first person.
So the question is, why do you make girls remove their drawers on stage when you know
it?
Is it right, boss man?
Well, that is see.
No, is it right? Let's be frank here. Only pay wood. Is it right?
Two blues.
No. Who died?
But Miss Media and my bia will be in wood until when the first one.
No, I'm saying that you don't have to wait for somebody to die. It's right.
Death, no, it's not coming from me.
No, but if
it was an accident.
Okay, wait. So even if she didn't die, was it right to let Obiba be gymnastic? I can say, or run home for $100. Boss man, would you let your sister remove herself for $100?
Hello, my dear. No,
let's be frank here.
We have strippers. We have people who strip. You know that.
Okay, and do they come on stages where people are here for any people to come and strip? Did you go to the club? Did you bring strippers on stage to do that for you, boss man?
I didn't bring strippers, but she felt like she wanna do it. I don't want the family to feel bad.
Drop your remarks.
Let me drop my remarks. I just want to say that I'm very sad about it.
I can feel it.
Yeah, my voice is shaking. My voice is shaking. Say that. No, it's not even a bar. A nipa. It's as simple as ABC. A nipa abrochi or cram my craft off for my. It's a big deal there. Ghana na as a young woman, you know. You nipa asema to nipa. Let's talk about it. I am not going to front. This thing that you are doing, it is not in the nice light for me. Especially me when they say, because the thing you just said in a headline, I'm headlining it. It's not a good headline.
That's what I'm saying.
It's my remark.
Shana,
it's my remark.
It's
Ube blow and I will be a toner. You are now trying to milk it to blow. I understand. Oh yeah, they obey. That's fine. But all I want to say is that we are saying no enda hokwa. Ewiase na eni anu edi nchini meko eni mpenyifo atete ho abayo abero ne ho ne adade enda hokwa boss man going forward so we betumi a enmo obi ba embegina stage en won ne ho onye stripper do ye open strippers arom ho a ukọ club strippers club na wakoye and more be bossman $100 is not enough money to let a lady ever stripping naked. Bossman, it's not enough money o in my your home of so in bi mu na home of so but me remark, don't let somebody's child whether boy or girl to come and stand there for just $100 open to work as they'll come and work but to remove boss ni hu ni egu ho or your nipa or boss ni hu ni egu ho mo de Matthias here. All I'm trying to say is that claim responsibility of your actions. When our friend maybe ko jina ho anko nipa mu jina ho ni did they die? I want to ask you, all the people that were in there, did they die? Did they die standing there dancing?
But brasa me patcho me about
David Tilly Wawi.
No, did they? You have to accept say I'm not saying it's only on you. The organizers, they are not also out. How can you do a thing and live wire and all? You are endangering people. Like it could have even been you who got hurt. Will free stage. All I want to say is that accept say what your mistake will baby. No cry, no can, no cannot those who support like genuinely support you will support you. But don't make it look like or say obey no story no. You will make church all the past that insist because insist so boss man. Insist so.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah, now super so can be finally. My me wrap up na in Shana.
Original Shana. Atias here say. I was what baby yenu abane kasefi. Because the more now we be say we be explain no man no. Baby original na sensitive. Very. And you are acting like a who here. And the more now we wear say man feel say or no air feeling no e hu hia no ebema wo momu no crampo no wo ye mistake more. One minji see you backstage and I can two mu say midin da babia ya sese ya sa motive ne ye beti ase ba babia wo ti awode ka no se wo ka ye nyina ye nyansa na wo de sa asem we nku aba be ba ka ho a ayete se ne ya wo ye nyina na premeditated yet here no wakasa just when you're about to end, making it look like right now everybody's talking about me. Intino, it looks like me blow and we should watch the positive aspect of it for you. What you are pleading for no, we a mistake. Because a idea yen baby say expresses side of sentiment or feeling way. You understand? Until remember when we say interview maybe and you but for wherever you are going, no, for you to try and use the words like I'm trending. And kasa se bia o Ghana for sani amo Jemanuesi na mo kasa no eno na enye na ya mfenga na ya nyese ya na wo bibia wo defend ba wo be kasi girl me ka se me trend ya asemu ye nka wo BBC
be pacho who say question no bisa me no that thing say asem we are very sensitive it me very careful with how I'm putting things say to bisa me say girl no asemu di kan say Shana de ye be force am na blue and no business intimate blow and because say now as I'm sitting here no the reason why I'm here and say my name is all over and it's going the bad way. It's a straightforward question. Okay. I'm trying to defend it. I'm not happy, bro. I wouldn't lie to you. Say which blow is that?
That's it.
So yeah, cause I say we news okay. Your child can really SVP another capital. Where is Shana? Say DJs ni say young boy on your man. Where is Shana?
Okay.
So what can I say? Going forward, I'm saying my remarks. I just want to tell the fans and the public in Ghana, and say. News ni na no baby I man no me get more involved because me pa wouldn't even on any me brass me na frame ya me call station bi anko yente me kasa o radio bi aso brass me tina I came because I don't know me senior man he has always watch my back. The thing is people are saying say get ne there we no win physically no bi abon say accident na there but they are trying to frame it say me was some special say me join some occult group be as a musician be and the rituals some their mama say who said they are trying to tarnish me rituals and Cabras and Bugatti and I mean accident 3 times on the road when I was returning when I was coming I got an accident but me forced by program no with the who car me send na ma chechere me coffee me science another accident me do you wanna have to go and meet some people concerning this issue Gatabia da home I was even surprised
and I'm Broni
no like I'm no me nobody is be tormenting me but I was just frustrated Oh, because this kind of things, you know, say one correct, you know. Now, but the reason why I make can be say the way they are channeling it, say original channel we could get now the same pool. I want them to understand, say people artists face this kind of things more times. The Michael Jackson cry example, say Michael Jackson had several people collapsing and all that on stage for him. And to say if something like this has happened to me, I'm expecting say the public should be rather be more sympathizing with me than feeling say because me name their course or backstage. I didn't see whatever went on there. And I me say girl when I understand Tilly is hurt because she feels like and the girl knows oh penny she's about 22 years or so. Into me say my friend so nipa no go no dosun. And no pay free mu no buy. And it was not premeditated. We never had any that thing like premeditated any bia.
All right. My final advice I made the man is say okasemu when you go for interviews don't make it seem like fa ho aye promotion. We say initially nam no interview na me bisa question ad kofa baby pe na me say men kofa ho. And yes na me strict on you. Na me boss me person be kasa na man for feel say we will be na onam na de promotion because from me from by na me si bra be chire mu. Na person kasa sak na unso ba o ba no ba be chire aseme esi enim. Ba kasa na me de ko to YouTube na mu ko show YouTube obi tia akwawi. Saho no hwe yi
Matibasa me pains no who say
but me no men can beam
then I bet I'll leave this thing for my ABM PR Ruby no content because sentimentally no